Good morning, friends. Today we are learning how to greet by saying good morning. When we see someone in the morning, we say good morning. Watch me. Good morning. Okay, are you ready? Now let's practice together. Let's try it now. Good morning. Say good morning. Remember to say it slowly. Good morning. Great saying good morning. Good job. Here we go again. Good morning. Say good morning. That was wonderful. Wonderful greeting. Let's practice one more time. Good morning. Almost there. Just say good. Super job. I like how you said good morning. Let's try again. Good morning. What do we say in the morning? Morning? That was amazing. Just amazing greeting. Last time, you can do it. Good morning. Fantastic greeting. Big clap. In the morning, we say good morning. Sun. Greeting makes people happy. You did a great job today. Great work today. We will see you tomorrow.